Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lainey and today's video is going to be an unboxing video for the new iPad Air and Apple Pencil. So if you didn't or you aren't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe below. But I'm currently, tomorrow I'll be 36 weeks pregnant, and as my push gift, I told Eric that I wanted a new iPad. Currently I have I think this is the 6. So I requested a new iPad because I really wanted an Apple Pencil and I felt like I should just, like, you know, upgrade. I'm pushing out a baby, so I feel like I deserved it. So I just got this 64-inch in silver. I was gonna get the green, but I didn't know if I would like the green, and you can't go into Apple stores, so I just went with silver because I do have this case, and I did get the Poppy. Really? She's digging in her box. Anyways, I did get the paper feel screen protector. So, oh, I'm so excited. I've never filmed an unboxing video, so I don't know how to go. Poppy! My kitten, well, Eric said she's not a kitten anymore, but she's still a kitten to me. Her litter box is right there. You were digging. Mommy's trying to film a video. You wanna say hi? Say hi, everybody. Hello. Say I'm gonna be a big sister soon. Okay. Anyways. Okay. Should I angle this down? Eric, I don't know how to do this. Okay. Excuse my nails. My middle ones always pop off. And I was supposed to get my nails done tomorrow, but it looks like it's gonna be a snowstorm. Okay, ready? I'm not calling you. I'm gonna fix the angle. Okay, so I'm sitting on my floor, so I hope this is a good angle. I can't get it out. I can't get it out of the box. So pretty. I'm happy I went with silver because last time I have stickers all over the back of it, but I have the rose gold one, and I just felt like, I don't know, I wanted the clean. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay. So I'm pretty sure it does, yeah, it comes with a box, which is nice. Because my iPhone, oh, and I think the charger is different than I have the 12 Pro Max, and I think, yeah, the charger is different. So I don't think I can charge this with my phone charger. Okay. But I'm happy it comes with a box. Oh, it's so slim. I love it. Eric, you want the Apple stickers? Here, they're big. Nice big. Those are bigger than the ones my phone came with. Okay, should I put the case on first? And then set it? I'm gonna put the case on. And then, so I just got this case off of Amazon. It was cheap. And I wanted a case that I could also, oh, maybe I shouldn't put the case on because they have, oh, it turned on. Because I have to do my fingerprint. Nice. Okay. That's awful. Wait, now it's not turning on. I'm gonna take it back out. Am I dumb? Why is it not turning? Eric, it's not turning on. It won't turn on. Am I gonna have to read the user manual? The apple showed up and then it went away. Okay, so I don't know what happened, but I did get it to turn on, finally. Okay. English, United States. Let's see if I bring my current iPad. Shh, Poppy. No, Poppy. It just says finish up on new iPad. Eric, can you come get her?
Huh?
She's crying at the wall.
This video's never gonna get filmed, and we're never gonna get groceries, and we're never gonna eat ever again in my entire life.
Okay, so it says it might take a few minutes to activate your iPad. So, oh, okay. Continue. I guess that was all. Okay, so while this sets up and they do their thing, I'm gonna unbox the Apple Pencil. Oh, I'm so excited for this. I never thought I'd be someone that wanted the Apple Pencil. But, I don't know, I've been watching a lot of unboxings of the iPad Air, and I cannot get these boxes open. Oh, that's because this is different. It's just like the watch. I've been watching a lot of, guys, I think I'm dumb. There we go. Pretty. Oh, it's a lot, it feels different than I thought it was gonna feel. So sleek. Anyways, like I was saying, I never thought I'd be someone that wanted something like this, but I was watching a bunch of videos and like planning digitally and stuff like that. It's something I'm super interested in, so I got it obviously, and I got the paper feel case. Okay, can I use this now? No. And I'm gonna wait until this is set up, until I snap the pen on. Okay, so while that does its thing, I'm gonna put my, oh shit, I'm gonna put my screen protector on first, actually. So this is the screen, I'll link it down below, but that's the one we got, or I got. Okay, so I did an awful job. I did a really bad job with the screen protector. It's okay. Okay, so I think I just do that for the pencil. I like the scratch. Okay. Oops. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video for my unboxing of my new iPad Air 4. I do plan on maybe making a what's on my iPad video after I'm adjusted to the new iPad life with this one, with the digital planning and all that. But if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below so you see that video. And like I always say at the end of my videos, I'm probably having a baby this month, so if you want to see any of that kind of stuff, make sure to subscribe and come back for more. Bye guys.